What if I told you Starbucks holds more customer money than most banks in the US? We're talking about over 10 billion cart customer cash sitting inside their system, getting invested, earning returns, and they never pay you a single cent in interest. On the outside, it's just a coffee shop, but behind the scenes, it operates like a financial institution. Today, companies don't stay in one lane anymore, and Starbucks quietly stepped into banking without calling itself a bank. Their secret weapon? My Starbucks Rewards, launched back in 2009. At first glance, it looks like a simple loyalty program, but underneath that friendly app interface, there's a powerful financial engine. Here's how it works. Customers preload money into the Starbucks app. The moment you add funds, Starbucks gets your cash up front. In return, you get stars, a kind of digital currency inside the app, which you can later exchange for drinks. Sounds simple, right? But here's the twist. The second you preload 20, 50, that money just sits in your account. Meanwhile, Starbucks takes that cash, invests it, earns interest, and even funds its operations. And you earn just zero out. This is basically an interest-free loan from millions of customers. Over 29 million people preload money. That's billions of dollars flowing into Starbucks every year. They use it, they invest it, they keep the profits, and you get a free drink after collecting enough stars. The scale is insane. If Starbucks were a bank, it would rank in the top 2% in the US by deposits, or a coffee company, holding more cash than most banks. And it gets even crazier. A huge portion of that money is never used. People forget their balance, lose access, or simply stop using the app. In 2018 alone, Starbucks made around $155 million from unused balances. Pure profit. And they're not the only ones. Companies like Apple, Amazon, Walmart, Target, and Costco are all moving in the same direction. They all want to become banks without actually being banks. Regulators are starting to notice. In the US, Europe, the UK, and Australia, governments are considering stricter rules, financial regulations, and consumer protections. But until that happens, Starbucks' system keeps running smoothly. They found a business cheat code, turning a simple rewards app into a global financial machine without calling it a bank. And without paying interest, customers feel rewarded. The company makes billions, and almost no one realizes what's really going on.